Good morning, friends, and welcome to day one of special breakfasts. This morning I got up bright and early and I started making some waffles. I like the multi-grain mix from Trader Joe's. It makes it really easy. So after I was done making my waffles, I went ahead and gave the kids each one little triangle, which I'm going to make look like an ice cream cone. So I have Mackenzie's here and Jackson's, and I still need to finish Lily's. So I'll show you. All you have to do is take a banana and slice it up, and the banana is going to look like our ice cream on top of our cone, which is the waffle. So I'll just go ahead and arrange my bananas just like this. I'm gonna put, okay, so there's the ice cream on her cone. Now, of course we have to have some whipped cream on top of our ice cream cone. Just a little bit, it makes it really fun. And some sprinkles. And on top, I'm just going to put a little piece of strawberry, which I cut into a heart. This is definitely a breakfast that you could serve on a birthday morning. It looks so fun. Now to go along with that, I'm also serving some turkey sausage, and I actually stuck it in my waffle iron when the waffles were done because they were actually over here. I just have a little cup of milk, a piece of honeydew melon, and one extra strawberry. So I'm gonna go ahead and call the kids, tell them breakfast is ready. Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. Now the kids are actually still in their beds. I need to go wake them up really soon because breakfast is ready. Today I started by making some strawberry cream cheese stuffed toast. To make this, I just took some wheat bread and I added some strawberry cream cheese. And then I also added some fresh strawberries as well. And then I used my sandwich maker to grill it up. Now to go along with this today, I'm also serving some more of the turkey bacon. The kids really like that and it's really easy. I also have a little thing of orange juice, some Activia yogurt, and a little fruit stack. On the bottom we have cantaloupe, followed by a strawberry and a little grape. So it's very fun. Now let's see if I can go wake them up and start. Good morning, guys, and welcome to Wednesday. Today I'm serving some breakfast banana splits. They are so fun. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on here, so I'll go ahead and show you how I'm making these. I'm starting off with just half a banana per child, and on top of that I'm going to add some of this really yummy vanilla yogurt. We're going to use this in place of ice cream in this dish. So just a little spoonful is all they need. This vanilla yogurt is so good. It has little specks of vanilla in there, and it's really thick and creamy. To each of our banana splits, I'm going to add a couple of grapes, just like that, and some cuties. These are just little tangerine cuties that I've already peeled. We're just trying to make it look fun and colorful. Next comes what really makes it look like a banana split. To top it off, I'm going to add some sliced almonds. This is gonna add a nice crunch and give the kids more fiber and protein. And just to make it look festive, one shake of sprinkles. Good morning and happy Thursday. Today I'm trying something new. I've never made this for the kids before and I'm hoping that they like it. I made some smoothie bowls. A smoothie bowl is just like a regular smoothie, but you make it a little bit thicker. You don't add as much liquid so that you can actually eat it with a spoon. So it's like a really thick smoothie. And usually you add toppings as well. Today I have bananas, blueberries, and almonds. Now,
good morning and happy Friday!
That's right. Right now I'm putting the finishing touches on our breakfast, which is just a little drizzle of syrup. So for our pancakes today, I started with a multi-grain pancake mix from Trader Joe's, and I just added some blueberries. And of course, we love the Mickey shape, don't we, guys?
Yeah!
That's our favorite. Although sometimes we like to make these with chocolate chips too, right?
Uh-huh, yeah.
Now to go along with this, I'm also serving 2 of these turkey sausages, a little bit of milk, and then I have 2 different fruit kebabs. I think fruit is more fun when it's on a stick, right, guys?
Yeah.